Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, all.
Morning, Miss.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah, luar biasa. Allahu Akbar.
Before studying today, let us pray first. Praying begin. Finish. Before starting today's lesson, introduce the name Miss Arisa Gempita. Can be called Miss Arisa.
Hi, Miss Arisa.
Hi. So, to start today's lesson, so that we are the excited, Miss has a clap that can make us excited. Anyone know what clap is?
Not yet, Miss.
Here, let's take an example first. Tepuk semangat, semangat. Do you all understand?
Yes, Miss.
Good. Now, let's together do the applause while standing up, please. Tepuk semangat, semangat. Hooray! Give applause for all of us.
Yay!
Now where we are?
In class, Miss.
Well, Miss want to ask our class what kind of building is a room. Right, yesterday we discussed a little about building space.
Building cube space, Miss.
Oh, good. In the building of this room or our class, there must be content.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, try to state what the content of our class are.
Cupboard, chair, tables, books, rooms, blackboards.
Oh, okay, good. Well, with that you're realizing that what we discussed earlier has entered our material today, namely the volume of space building. If you ask what volume is built into space, someone can answer?
The contents of the room is.
Oh, wow. More clearly named, volume is the content of the building itself. Today, we are going to discuss the volume of a cuboid. So, according to the definition of volume, the volume for the cuboid is the content of this cuboid itself. Before we determine the volume of the cuboid, we must know the properties or characteristics of the cuboid. Why is that? Because the cuboid have different units and the length is not necessarily the same. So, the properties or characteristics of the cuboid is that it has 12 edges consisting of 4 long, 4 wide, and 4 height, has 6 planes and 8 corner points. Do you know the object around us that resemble cuboid?
That spindle box, Miss.
So to determine the volume of the cuboid, here I have an example problem. Salsa is on vacation to the beach. She wants to make a sand castle print using cardboard. Salsa wants to fill the cardboard completely with sand. Can you count the volume of the cardboard filled with sand? If you know the length of the cardboard is 4 cm, wide 2 cm, and height 2 cm. To solve the problem, we ask a transparent cuboid approach. Here, we need a transparent cuboid and a unit cubes that is 3 cm inside. So, To determine the content of the keyboard from the above problem, we ask a transparent keyboard filled with unit cubes. Insert the unit cubes into the transparent keyboard. So it looks like this. In calculating the volume, the content of the building itself shows that the transparent keyboard must be full. After full, we count from the front side 1, 2, 3, 4. The count from the side 1, 2. The count the side that is up 1, 2. Then it will be found that the volume of the keyboard 4 times 2 times 2 is 16 unit cubes. Then the content of the keyboard are 16 unit cubes. Where the content is volume, the content consists of 4 times 2 times 2. Where the 4 was the front side, 2 is the side, and 2 is the side up. In the characteristic of the keyboard, the front side is called the length, the side is called the width, and the side up is called height. So, the conclusion can be drawn is volume of keyboard is length times width times height. Whether is an explanation of the volume material for space building keyboard. Here the Miss will give an example of a question for you to answer independently at home to better understand this material. In the front of keyboard with a height of 50 cm, a width of 70 cm, and a length of 90 cm. The full will be filled with water. How much water is needed to fill by the full? Okay, that was your homework, and it will be submitted next week.
Okay, Miss.
Well, Miss think that's enough for our study today because the time is running out. Miss close our lesson today by saying Hamdalah.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Good afternoon. See you.
See you, Miss.
Thank you.